Data shows Alabama is lagging behind in the percentage of our population vaccinated for COVID-19 so far, showing just over 51% of our doses administered. So if there's a vaccine shortage, why have we only given out half? Health officials say the charts and graphs don't tell the whole story.
When you look at the data on the dashboard, also keep in mind that the vaccine that's distributed to Alabama now is already spoken for and is actually being given in clinics even as we speak.
ADPH says they're working to get vaccines out in more areas, but the vaccine shortage is their biggest obstacle right now.